Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from PoppyNuts.com. And for those people that need to clean a lot in the house, there's the SJW Cordless Charegable 360-degree automatic rotating home cleaner. Okay, so if you bought it for 569 pesos in Shopee, it's still 569. Okay, so we're gonna do it unboxing and see what this looks like. Okay, so it's a little big, so it's a little bit long. That's why you're seeing the entire table right now. So as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3 types of brushes, okay, or sponges, brushes, plastic brushes, plastic heads. Okay, we're gonna put it away so we can remove the box. This, and the plug. Okay, so we're gonna remove the plug and put everything back on top of the table. So according to the box, it has 300 RPM. So I assume 300 rotation. Okay, and then put the other one, just follow the, okay, and then it's a little bit heavy. Okay, so there's the on off switch, and in the bottom I assume that's where you plug in the device. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in now, and there's power. Turn it on. See? Needs to be tight, this one. It stops when it's not that tight, so there, okay? So the bristles are not that hard, so it's not painful, but I assume we should be able to help you clean. So as you can see, we're testing it here inside the bathroom right now, and it's basically able to clean the edges of the tiles that usually gets dirty. Don't worry about the power, guys. It's rechargeable, so it's probably gonna last you about 15-25 minutes of usage. You'll know it's getting low in battery when it starts to slow down compared to the first time you use it. So good luck if you buy this. Hopefully it works the same way for you and helps you do your jobs in the house a little bit easier. Thanks guys. Bye.